In this video, I will guide you through how to get Minecraft SMP server absolutely free. Get multiplayer Minecraft server free for life without restrictions. Do you want to know how to start a Minecraft SMP server for free? I will show you a Minecraft SMP hosting that is not just totally free, but you can also install mods and resource packs. You can use Minecraft Java or Minecraft Bedrock edition for free. Not everybody can spend money each month on a Minecraft server. This is the solution. If you don't want to buy a multiplayer Minecraft server, you can get it for free for life. Server that we are reviewing in this video is Aternos. Website is aternos.org. aternos.org. Minecraft servers free forever. A lot of users, 1 million players, are using their servers every day. Fully customizable, mods and plugins are supported, backups allowed, and more. Play Minecraft with your friends and family online. Use Bedrock or Java. Use PaperMC mods, resource packs, and more. Unlimited players are allowed in SMP. To create server, click play button. To sign up, use Google account or click sign up button. Agree to terms. You don't need email address to get account with them. Choose username and click next. Choose password. This username and password will be used to log into this site. Email is optional. This will be our server address. Select Java edition or Bedrock edition and click create button. That's it. Click start button to start this server. Change Minecraft version if you need to. Click connect to see server address and port. Let's go to options. We can use custom domain with this server. We can reinstall Minecraft World if we need to. Below we can change game mode. Select game difficulty. Force game mode. We can upload data packs to this server from here. You can select Java version. Go to console page to apply custom commands. Choose operators. Files area lets you download world files. Backups are here. Switch software for Minecraft as well. Vanilla, Snapshot, PaperMC is available here. Bedrock is also available. So this is our server. Now we have our server address and this server is running. Let's use this SMP server address to connect to it in Minecraft. Start Minecraft, select multiplayer, click proceed, use direct connection and paste server address and then click join server button or click add server button. Give your server a display name, paste server address and click done. New SMP server is added. Wait for it to establish connection. Use refresh button after few moments if it does not show online status. When the server is online, select this server and click join server button. And we are inside SMP world. Now you can give this server address to friends so that they can join you in this world. This server provides 2.4 GB of RAM, but it depends on software that you use. Storage space is 4 GB. Mods are allowed. You can create multiple servers here as well. Use this server for free for life. So this is how you can get Minecraft SMP server free for life. This is the first video in this series. I am reviewing a lot of free hosting providers for Minecraft SMP. In coming videos. Okay, if this video helped you, please leave a like. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive update notification, and I will see you in the next one.